Hello and welcome back to my channel. So it is finally winter. Well, I'm not sure if the calendar says that it's winter, but it is cold and the jumpers are out, the scarves are out and the hats are out. So it is winter and I bloody love winter. I love Christmas and I'm so excited. I hope you've all been really well. So I'm going to be doing a box of Goth unboxing and this theme is Beetlejuice. I am so excited. I love Beetlejuice. I have my Lydia Deetz tattoo right here. So if you want to watch me vlog that, look it up. Let's open it and see what's inside. And remember, if you're interested in a box of Goth, I do have a discount code. Take advantage of it. Batbones. I'll put it at the bottom. So let's open it and see. Are you ready? I'm so ready. Dun, dun, da, da, da. Something just fell out. It's a bug. It's a little green beetle. Beetlejuice. Right, so this is how it looks. Interesting. Ooh, okay, let's just dive right in. Oh, I think this is a pillowcase. It's a pillowcase. Sorry, I'm so excited. I myself am strange and unusual. So that's a cute pillowcase. It feels alright. It's soft. I am assuming this is someone's artwork. That's cool. It's like a mix-up of the movie and the cartoon. Cute. So that's useful. I love pillows. I have too many to count. Next, let's go for this keyring. It doesn't want to focus on the keyring, so I'm just going to hold it here because you can kind of see it. I myself am strange and unusual, their most famous quote, and it's a double-sided keyring. So I will pop that on my car keys because I don't have enough keyrings. So I'm going to pull this little stripy thing out. Hello, sailor. I assume that's a headband. I don't really wear these, unfortunately. Be good as a blindfold, I suppose. Yeah, I don't wear headbands anymore. I used to when I was a bit of a scene kid. But anyone that wears them, this would be useful. But yeah, I could use it as a blindfold. Maybe. No, I don't think that would work. Something. Maybe turn it into a bow. Fail at it as well. For this. I think this is a sticker. If you don't love that scene, then there's something wrong with you. And if you haven't seen the film, there's something wrong with you. I used to love him when I was little. I was like, he's so cute. Right. A little sweet, which is Centre Shock. Let's do it. I hope I'm not going to die. No, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Yeah, that's bad. don't eat it. Oh, that is so sour. Okay, no, I'm good. I'm good. Next. Little green bag. Oh my god, my tongue tastes vile. It's a necklace. Oh, simple but sweet. This would probably go with like any outfit if you wear black. It's cute. I wanted wallpaper like that. When I had my house, I wanted wallpaper like that, but it's very hard to come by. That's a cute little necklace. That will go with any outfit I wear, basically. Let's take this little bag out. Right, this is so cute. Oh. If you do a Beetlejuice box, you've got to have a bit of Lydia. She looks like she's high as anything, but who doesn't love a pin badge? There's another pin badge. And it's the sign when he's like... It's not when he... No, it's his grave, isn't it? It's the grave. And it's got Beetlejuice. Or I've got so many Beetlejuice pins now. I'm not going to lie. But I don't have these. Focus. Nope, that didn't make a difference. So, Beetlejuice. Pointing at me. This does not come with it. That's mine. I've only just noticed that there's a handbook print there, so I'm going to pull that out. Okay, it's not a print. It's a magnet. It's a little bit folded, but hopefully that will flatten out. Oh, that's so cool. Life. How cool is that? So it's literally a giant magnet. I'm coming to the last bits now. This makes me sad. Oh, yes. So it's like it's a sticker, and it's like it looks like a tattoo design. I don't want it to focus on that. And it's another one. It's the cartoon again. I don't know where I'm going to put them. They're so cute. Oh, there's a couple. I'm just going to take them both out. Never trust the living. Beetlejuice. 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 I think there's this light that's just... And the other one is... I'm sure I've seen this done as like a tattoo quite a few times. But cute little art prints. I still haven't put mine out anywhere. They're just piling up. Last item. And it says, I saw some ghosts. I've got a feeling it might be another pin badge. So far, I have a lot of pin badges for Beetlejuice, but I don't have the ones that I've got today. It's a necklace. Oh, I have a necklace like this, and it says The Hobbit on it. And there's a picture of me and my husband in it. And it's the book. How cute is that? That's so cute. Oh, it would have been so cute if they'd have put like a photo of Barbara and Adam in it. That would have been so cute. Oh, so that is the last item. I don't think there was a list of contents in this box, so I can't read it out to you. So that was the Beetlejuice box by Box of Goth. I'm happy with that one. It was much better than the Goth Garden box that I had. I have to admit, that was not a good box, and I don't want to lie to you guys, because you've got to buy these things as well if you're interested in them and want a little mystery. But that is what happens when you go for a mystery box. But I am happy with that. I'm a Beetlejuice fan, and yes, I am impressed. So thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you like, and if you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe if you want to see more of me. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm doing a lot of polls at the moment and asking people to message me. Don't be afraid to message me, because I am chill. I love people messaging me. I think I really appreciate it when people do, because they're going out their way to message me. So I make the effort of replying to everyone. If you've got any questions or video ideas that you'd like me to see, that you would like to see, then hit me up, give me a message, and I'll see what I can do. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget to stay spooky. Bye.